Okay, let's do this. Hey guys, it's Lindsay, and today I accept the challenge of doing the stripped down challenge that was created here on YouTube by Jonah Green, and I think this is a great idea. So, as you can tell, and you will be able to see, there will be no types of editing in this video, and so all you will see is the thumbnail that I'm choosing to show you to click on for this video, and then here we go. So today I'm setting my timer for 10 minutes, and I am just going to talk to you guys about life. So I'm ready. Are you? Okay, well, first let's do this. So setting the timer for 10 minutes, making sure my phone is on silent. Okay, so I will show you what I do when I set timers. Hey Siri, set a timer for 20 minutes. And see, there you go. There is my unexpected mess up. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Your timer's already running. Would you like to change it?
Yes.
Okay, 10 minutes and counting.
Thanks, Siri.
You're welcome.
Isn't she great? She's a little funny. So, I'm going to put my phone next to me here, right on the bed. As you can see, my headboard is usually right next to me. So, here we go. So, today, for the first thing I want to tell you guys about and talk to you and just chill out is I want to talk to you about Christmas. How many of you can't believe that Christmas is in like 20 days? That's insane. And accurately super exciting. And I don't know about you, but I always like to get in the Christmas spirit by usually listening to music, or you guys probably know by now that I watch a lot of Christmas movies, and I just finished watching the movie that I watched a couple weeks ago with Candace Cameron Bure. I think her name's actually Candace Cameron Bure, and it's called Let It Snow, and in Canada we have what's called the Women's Network, and that's where I watch most of my videos and movies, and like, I love movies, and I hope you guys do too, because they're a lot of fun, especially if you like just like video and stuff. Like if you do video on YouTube yourself, then you might get what I'm understanding. Like if you're a YouTuber, I feel like when I got really interested in YouTube, I started watching a lot more movies and just like getting more creative and stuff. It's a lot of fun, and I like how movies are played out and stuff, and I'm definitely a corny person, so I love like really cute movies, really funny movies, and I feel like that is a lot of fun to see from others, and I feel like even just playing it as actors, I feel like most actors get along and most actors probably have like time to get to know each other. I think like I've heard once that they take like either a month or like a week to 2 weeks to get to know each other in person, like to prepare for the movie and stuff like that. And so I really like Candace. She was on Full House as Stephanie, the little kid who was the oldest teenager, and that's really fun. I loved them and Uncle Jesse, and yeah, it's really fun because I get like they're coming out with a lot more movies now. There's like a new Christmas movie apparently that Bailey Madison and Lori Loughlin are in. She's from Full House as well, Lori is, and it's fun, but I haven't been able to see it yet. I wonder I wonder when it's gonna come on air in Canada. So, but I know it premiered, I think, a few weeks ago in November, so that's fun to see on Twitter and stuff. So Christmas movies are great. Christmas songs are great. I've been listening to a few so far. I can't believe like it's December already. It's crazy. Like this year has definitely been a very interesting year, and I feel like now that I'm where I am in my life, it's like life is going by so fast, but right now, like these past few months, I've been in such a good place, and all the positivity is fueling back into my body since the summer and stuff, and so much fun. So I encourage you guys to kind of figure out what you enjoy, like maybe listen to some music and just like jam out, figure yourself out, find yourself, and like be like, oh, I'm really proud of what I'm doing, or oh, I wish, or oh, I can get through this, I can do this, I will be able to be a positive person if you choose to, because that's great. And it is okay not to be okay. So if you're at that stage right now, I promise you, those experiences, whether it's emotions or super crazy stuff going on, you're really stressed, those emotions, let them out, because those experiences will make you stronger, just like they do for other people, including myself. And you can look up to Demi Lovato, Selena Gomez, and you can do it. Because I love you, and I believe in my supporters, and the people that leave super exciting comments are really fun, so thank you. And I hope to get to know you one day, or maybe run into you one day. Who knows what will happen online. Online is crazy fun, and thank you for being genuine, internet, because you're funny. You're very, very cool, and good vibes all around to those people. So, yeah. And speaking of music, let's talk in depth for those who really enjoy Justin Bieber's comeback. So Justin Bieber's Purpose Deluxe album on Spotify is on repeat all the time, and it's pretty great. So as I've said before, I think my favorite song might be Life is Worth Living or Love Yourself. Those two are pretty much tied. And then I also love hearing Sorry on my TV radio. And I also love children because I feel like I know that he loves giving back and he's ready to start doing that again. And it's really special because when I watch interviews like with Justin Bieber or with like people that I really enjoy, it's really exciting. Speaking of, like, the interview that I will link down below is with Zach Zhang and the gang, and he mentions religion, he mentions his past, he mentions his true feelings about who he really is. And if you're trying to get a true positive outlook, I would suggest watching those interviews, and I hope you can get a new mindset, especially if you love his current music, because it's really special to a lot of people, and I know he's really proud of his new music. So I will leave that interview down below. And yeah, so for Christmas music, let's just say I love Kelly Clarkson, and I love Mariah Carey, I love Justin Bieber. Sometimes I still listen to that, and it's like so much nostalgia because he's doing so well, and he should be proud of where he is, because I can tell he's really excited. And one more person, of course, I always have to mention is Charlie Puth. Wow, that was fast. Well, I am going to talk for a few more minutes, but if you guys need some inspiration, definitely look for Charlie Puth's interviews and his music, because I'm really excited for his album to come out. It's kind of crazy. And I just get really excited because I love his personality, so yeah. And if you're team Charlie Puth, let me know in the comments below, because he's great and he has like the best smile ever. I love it. And he's such a fun guy, so he's not afraid to be like genuinely honest. So yeah, that's what I love. And the last thing is I want to let you guys know that I want you guys to have a fun day. I want you guys to jam out to some music. Maybe let me know how you've been doing lately, and have fun in your own way, whether it's texting a friend. I love having long conversations with my friend, and she will know what I mean if she ends up watching this. So right back at ya. So that's a lot of fun. And if you create content yourself, I encourage you to do this tag. And lastly, for the end of the video, I tag for this challenge Bethany Moda. Who else? Charles Trippy. There's a really cute dog outside too. Oh my gosh, they were looking at me. Who else? I don't know, maybe Charlie Puth will do another video one day. I also tag 2 more people. Megan Dowling. I miss her videos, so I really want her to do new videos. And who else? Who else? Who else? Who else hasn't done this? Oh my gosh, it's hard. Who else? Who else? Oh, I know. I'm thinking of Justin Bieber as I think of her, because she went to a Justin Bieber concert the other day. So who I'm thinking of is that I tag also, lastly, Aspen Ovard, because I'm almost 100% sure she hasn't done a video like this before. So yeah, I hope you guys do this video, and I hope you guys got some inspiration from this video. I hope this video was exciting, was happy for you, and this video was just really interesting for me to make, and I hope it definitely helped you in some way. Love you. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Who knows? Next week sometime. Most likely Sunday. Next week. See you guys. Love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and bye guys. You deserve to have a fun day in your own way.